Hello and welcome back. We are just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon if you want to solve along with me. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing number 313. In this column, we're missing a 1. This column, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9, 2. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got a 4 and a 3 here, so this is our 1. 4 here, so 3, 4. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 2 and 5 here, so this is our 9. 5 here, so 2, 5. For this row, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this box now, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 3 here and a 7 here, so this is our 6. That 7 means this is our 3, 7. For this row now, we're only missing an 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got a 6 here and a 6 here, so our 6 has to be here. I don't see any other help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. For this column, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. For this row, we're missing an 8. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this column, we're missing 4 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 4, 9, 4, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 and 6 here, so this is our 1. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this row, then we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9. That makes us our 4, 9. For this row, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. That 1 makes this our 4, 1. For this column now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. And for this column now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.